One of the most powerful techniques that has actually been shown in clinical research studies to cure depression better than most prescription drugs out there. It is called cognitive behavioral therapy, and it is all about understanding the thoughts that lead to the challenging emotions and then changing those thoughts. So when you are going through a negative emotion, you have to ask yourself, what is the specific thought that is leading to this emotion? In the book Feeling Good, Dr. David Burns calls these thoughts ants, which stands for automatic negative thoughts. These ants are usually a result of distortion in our thinking, and there are 10 very well-known cognitive distortions we all suffer from, and all of these are explained in great detail in the book Feeling Good by Dr. David Burns. Now, cognitive behavioral therapy can be summarized in 3 simple steps. First, identify the ant, the automatic negative thought. Second, identify the cognitive distortion that led to the ant, the automatic negative thought, and then figure out the rational response to this automatic negative thought. Now, let me give you an example of how this works. A while back, someone left a very hateful review on one of my videos making fun of my accent. When I saw that review, I was very upset, sad, and disheartened. And when I tried to analyze what specific thought was causing me to feel sad and disheartened, I realized that I was telling myself, man, I put so much hard work, effort, and love into these videos, and these people just don't care. This really sucks. However, this thought was indeed a gross distortion. I was engaging in 2 very common cognitive distortions, disqualifying the positive and magnification and minimization. How was I disqualifying the positive? I was disqualifying all the positive comments on that video, nearly 20 other comments on the video, which were all very positive. And how was I magnifying and minimizing? I was magnifying the 1 negative comment while minimizing the positive 20 comments on the video. Now, the next step in cognitive behavioral therapy is to figure out a rational response to your automatic negative thoughts. So I wrote to myself, a lot of people love my videos and a few don't. So I should focus on those who love my work. And in that moment, I was liberated from the sadness that had engulfed me.